Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we are going to learn how to create form rules. Form rules determine what fields should appear next, depending on a visitor's selection or input. So, if this is something you need on your form, here's how you can do it. On the Wix editor, go to the form you want to add a rule to, or you can create one from scratch. So, to create one, go to the plus button. Under Contact and Forms, click on Create New Form. And this is the form editor where you can build your form. Whether you're creating a new form or editing an existing one, this is where you can do all of that. Now, first you have to go ahead and build your form the way you want to by adding your desired elements and desired fields. And by the way, if you want to manage a specific field, you can click on it and click on Field Settings, and then tweak the settings here according to your needs and preferences. So now we will be talking about how to create a rule. First, I'll be creating an example that's easy to grasp. So on the Add button, I'll be adding a multiple choice field, and I will be, say for example, saying, do you have any job experience? And I will be renaming these options to yes and no. All right, so we will be using this field as our example. And we'll also add what we would like to happen next. So say, for example, we're going to add a short answer field right after this one. And we are going to change the field title to something like type your job experience here. All right, so now that our fields are ready, it's time to set our rule. So we're going to go to the Rules button on the left and click on Add Rule. By the way, in order to add a rule, you should have at least two fields on your form. Now we're going to choose a condition, or in this case, the if. So choose which field you want to base your rule on. For example, the one we created earlier, the do you have any job experience field? And then we're going to choose a condition in this drop down. So if it's equal to yes, then we're going to select the then field now. So the then field is what we would like to happen once our condition is met. So we would like to select this one. So type your job experience field over here, and we're going to show it. We're going to hide this field first so that it'll only be shown once the condition is met. So once we're done, we're going to click on Save Rule. And our rule should be seen over here. Once you're done, you can go to the Preview tab in order to preview your form. And if we are going to select yes, you're going to see that this shows up over here. If not, then it remains hidden, which means our rule successfully works. Also, don't forget to go to the Settings tab and properly rename your form so you can easily identify it on your dashboard later on. Apart from renaming your form, make sure to set up other settings here, such as your confirmation message, payments setup if needed, spam filter, expiration date, and submissions limit. By the way, on the Submissions tab is where you'll see the detailed table of responses from your form. Once you're all good, you can now click on Save to save your form, and then you can close this window. By the way, if you'd like to edit the design of your form, click on it and click on Settings. And on this small window, go to the Design tab, and here you'll have the options to edit your form background, form fields, header and paragraph, as well as buttons. So go ahead and tweak it according to your needs and preferences. Once you're all good, click on Save to save the changes you've made on your site. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again so that the changes you've made will reflect on your live site as well. And that's all for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. And if it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.